If you are looking for the best injector cleaner, you've come to the right place. We've put together a list of the 5 best petrol injector cleaners available today, covering a range of budgets and use cases. In this video, we've considered cleaning performance, fuel efficiency improvements, engine protection, ease of use, price, brand reputation, and real user feedback. Whether your car is suffering from rough idling, poor MPG, or reduced performance, one of these injector cleaners could make a real difference. All of the products mentioned in this video are listed in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, Redex Petrol Fuel. System cleaner, best overall, editor's pick. Redex is our top overall choice, and for good reason. It's one of the most widely trusted petrol injector cleaners on the market and delivers reliable results at an affordable price. Available in 250 ml and 500 ml bottles, Redex works by breaking down deposits inside the fuel injectors, helping to restore lost performance and slightly improve fuel economy. It also reduces emissions and protects the fuel system against corrosion, including modern E10 petrol blends. This cleaner is especially useful for maintaining long-term engine health rather than chasing dramatic short-term gains. Pros: very effective at cleaning injectors, helps protect against corrosion and E10 fuel, affordable and widely available. Cons: 250 ml bottle runs out quickly on larger tanks. Number 2, STP Ultra 5-in-1 petrol system cleaner. Best for restoring MPG. If fuel economy is your main concern, the STP Ultra 5-in-1 is a strong contender. This additive doesn't just clean injectors, it works throughout the entire fuel system. It helps reduce emissions, restore lost engine power, and protect against corrosion. Where this product really stands out is its ability to bring back lost MPG, with some drivers reporting gains of up to 8 miles per gallon after consistent use. Simply pour it into your fuel tank and let it do the work. Pros: very effective injector and fuel system cleaner. Can noticeably improve MPG. Easy to use. Cons: 400 ml capacity isn't the largest available. Number 3, Wins Petrol Injector Additive. Best simple injector cleaner. For drivers who want a straightforward and affordable solution, Wins Petrol Injector Additive is a solid option. This product is designed to both clean and lubricate the fuel system, helping to smooth out rough idling, restore engine performance, and improve MPG. It also absorbs condensation and protects against corrosion, which is especially useful in colder or damp conditions. The main drawback is the bottle size, as it only comes in 325 ml, which may not be ideal for vehicles with large fuel tanks. Pros: effective cleaning and lubrication, helps reduce emissions and restore power. Good value for money. Cons: only available in a 325 ml bottle. Number 4, CataClean. Fuel and exhaust cleaner. Best comprehensive system. Cleaner. CataClean is a more advanced and specialist option designed to clean far more than just your injectors. In addition to fuel injectors, it targets fuel lines, EGR valves, exhaust components, and even the catalytic converter. It's particularly effective at removing carbon buildup from catalytic converter monoliths, which can help prevent costly repairs. CataClean does require more specific usage instructions, but when used correctly, it delivers impressive results and provides a noticeable overall health boost to petrol engines. Pros: cleans injectors, exhaust system, and catalytic converter. Excellent for carbon buildup. Improves overall engine health. Cons: more specific usage instructions than basic cleaners. Number 5, Wins Formula Gold Petrol System Treatment. Best premium option. Rounding out our list is Wins Formula Gold, a premium petrol system cleaner designed for regular maintenance. Unlike Wins Standard Additive, Formula Gold comes in a larger 500 milliliter bottle, making it more suitable for modern vehicles. It's recommended for use every third tank of fuel and works to clean injectors, reduce exhaust emissions, and improve MPG. While it doesn't tackle as many components as Cataclean, it offers reliable performance from a trusted brand. Pros: larger 500 ml bottle, effective injector and emissions cleaning, trusted brand reputation. Cons: does fewer jobs than some competitors. That's it for our list of the 5 best injector cleaners. All of the product links can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss our future uploads. We post new videos regularly to help you make smarter buying decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.